So my sister painted these Lady Sings the Blues, and this is actually my grandmother that she painted. Beautiful, very realistic. This is City Place, guys. This one, we're at the Hilton over here. This is City Place right here. If you ever felt like life is passing you by, or maybe it's too late to start over, or you've missed your moment, I want to tell you today, it's never too late to restart. Restart your life, restart a relationship, restart a new business, restart your dreams. Perfect example, look at the city. Every corner is under construction. Some stores are gone, others are brand new. And that's life. It's always changing. And in this city, you can restart, you can rebuild, and you can come back stronger. And so can you. Before we dive in, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell, because every week I'll share real stories, motivation, and practical steps to help you rebuild your life and enjoy it, okay? After this, check out my last video. It ties perfectly into today's message. Ooh, are they doing another city place? Oh, they took away this place. Leasing. Wow, look what they built here. Wow. Do you see these buildings? Some brand new, some boarded up, some under heavy construction, and that's the cycle of life. Seasons change, business change, and so do we. But the mistake most people make is thinking rebuilding has an expiration date. Like only young people can reinvent themselves. And that's a lie. You can restart at 20, 40, 60, even 80. Life is about movement, not age. So we're going to get into it just a little deep, okay? And we're going to talk about why people stay stuck. Number one, they believe their best years are behind them. And that's not the truth. Your dreams are valid, so still go for them. And another reason is that people are afraid of starting small again. It's okay. Small beginnings are okay. Small beginnings, small steps turn into big ones. Another thing people do is they compare themselves, okay? They compare their small new beginnings to somebody else's middle. We got to stop comparing, okay? Our journeys are specific to our lives. So just hear me out. You don't need the same start everyone else has. You just need to start. So let's talk about how to actually start at any age. The first thing you should do is release what's gone. You can't grab the future with a closed fist. Let go of that job, the relationship, the identity that doesn't serve you anymore. The second step is to rebuild with what you have. Your skills, your passion, your experiences, they are not wasted. They're your building blocks, so use what you got. Another step, which is step 3, add courage, not perfection. It's not about getting it right, it's about starting. And the fourth step is to surround yourself with fresh energy. Look around you. Every construction site has a team. You can't rebuild alone. So if you're 25 or 65, the formula doesn't change. It's about courage, action, and faith. So take, for instance, an area that we're in called City Place. Some of these stores weren't here before, so here's a new business where an old one used to be. Somebody took the chance to start fresh, and that's how you have to see your life. There's a lot more people that find their success after 50 than before. Did you know that Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, didn't start until his 60s? Vera Wang didn't design her first dress until she was 40. My own sister, who you'll meet in a minute, completely pivoted her career in her 60s. So what's stopping you? Nothing. And speaking of pivoting, let me show you something personal. My sister has been a cosmetologist for decades, but she didn't stop there. She's now reinventing herself. Several times, actually. And I think her story will inspire you. Clematis Street, where they have restaurants. They cut off the streets on Thursday nights. They have gyms. They have all kinds of stuff down on Clematis. Meet my sister, Sean Glaze. She's built a successful career in cosmetology. Most people would have just stopped there, but in her 60s, she started renovating furniture, working on home improvement, and even painting. She didn't let her age define her. She let her passion lead her. And that's really what I want to say in this video. You can always create something new. So here's your blueprint straight from her story and from our drive today. Number 1, recognize what no longer fits you, okay? And just let it go. It doesn't fit anymore. The second thing is to pivot into your passion. You always can make a change and move into something that fits you now. The third thing is to keep growing, no matter what age you are. If my sister can pivot in her 60s, you can restart right here where you are. All right, so here we are at my sister's place. No, you gotta be in the picture because you gotta be on my YouTube channel. Look how my sister recreated her front door passage. How amazing. She's such an artist. Look how she did her. She painted this so nice. Very nice. So Sean, you gotta come and explain what you did here.
I painted the floor.
All right.
I repainted everything. The door. I took the there was a screen door on.
Mm-hmm.
I took it off because it was broken and I couldn't find parts. It was older.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have to buy a whole new one. I decided no. So then I had to take it off, fill in the holes, repaint and caulk, all of that to make it look good. Of course, I had to refresh everything. Everything got repainted.
Wow.
The lights, whatever.
And she did this all herself.
Yes, and then I painted this and.
Oh, you're gonna be able to see on her channel.
Yeah.
How she actually did.
It's not
these
finished.
pots.
There's more things because I'm gonna do something with this. This is just a piece of raw 2x12 boards that I put on there with my plant. I'm gonna make it look a little better. I repainted this. It was orange, bright orange. Remember?
Yes.
This was some Hallmark thing. I turned it into a planter for the wall. And excuse my fake flowers. They used to be real and they died. I couldn't keep blooms out here, so this I just put that there temporarily because I wanted some color.
Awesome.
But I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do there permanently.
Very nice. I love it out here. So cozy.
Yeah.
Very cozy.
It's just a little space. You can turn the camera.
Right.
This is the next thing that's refreshed. It was nice, but now it's looking dreary, so I'm gonna repaint all of this. I didn't wash it down in the spring, but I like to wash these. I probably
She
need to
painted
change
that
it.
mural.
But I did this mural.
That's so nice.
You can't really
You
see it.
hand
You see
painted it
it?
yourself?
Yes. I
Wow.
have me on video doing it, so. All of
You have to put all of this stuff on YouTube, girl. My sister's starting her YouTube, Sean Glaze. All right, you could find her at Sean Glaze, but she's just starting. So now we're gonna force you to put some videos up, because you got tons of shorts. You got to put them up, and then she's gonna go to her long form. Oh, please. Remember, I showed you guys all her work that she's done herself. She's done all this herself. She became an artist. She did all this stuff herself, guys.
You did on that over there?
No. But I probably could read it.
Painted that
Yeah.
all herself.
Did you see how your great look? I did that for the little boy. You did
The kids keep coming over here and breaking up my stuff.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I did it.
You can actually sell your art.
Thank you. So with this, I put, you know, the gift wrapping sheets when you put in the bags on there to create like a texture underneath, and then I painted on top of it. So that's why you see the blue
So you did
and all
the
of
gift
that.
wrapping.
I just put glue and then tore it and pasted it on, and then I painted this. It's from a picture I found on the internet,
You
but I
painted
liked
the
it.
palm trees.
Yes, I painted
What
all of
painting
that.
brush do you use?
I got all kinds of stuff up there. I got a lot of art supplies. But isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's
I saw it and I
nice.
liked it, and I was like, I don't have to buy it. I'm gonna paint this, make it myself.
That look,
I should do that one, right?
yeah, that look better. It's more detailed too.
All right. Well, I'm gonna paint that.
Do you have a backstory of it?
This, I don't know. I just saw it and liked it.
Oh.
I said I can recreate that. What you think, Jackie?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
cute. I
Really
like
cute.
it.
Love it.
You could sell your art.
Oh, thank you.
You just have to
This is
think
what I'm
about-
gonna do. I guess going forward, I gotta.
Yeah.
To like think about, you can create your own, have ideas and stuff, and like have a backstory of it. Be like, this was when ABC, or this story is because art has a story to it.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Okay. All right. Sorry. Yep. Sorry.
Very
Mhm.
intrusive.
All right, thank you. That's good. So, my sister painted these Lady Sings the Blues, and this is actually my grandmother that she painted. Beautiful, very realistic. All right, hold on. All right. Okay.
Where'd you paint that?
I just sent it from a picture.
Because I seen it a while ago.
Yeah. And all these are mine.
You made them?
All of these are mine.
She painted these.
Don't do that one. That's
Okay.
right now.
You made them?
Yes. You like
She
it?
painted all of
It's
these.
amazing.
Thank you. This was the first one. I did it with lyric, and then I said, oh, I like this. This is fun. And then that just made me want to do all the others.
Really
And you know
nice.
who that is? Frida.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I learned about her in school.
Very nice, Sean Glaze. Sean did all her stairs.
It's like when you combine shapes and colors.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Can you come without the video?
Yep. All right, so she has
Things I'm working on.
this stuff right here. Okay, so we are. This is called Dania Point. Oh, this is the Marriott. Oh, that's so nice. Crema. This is really cool. Let's go around here. Oh, it's quiet because it's almost 12 a.m. But let's go back around here. We have to best see if we can. Okay.
Oh, go down and hear people talk.
To the left?
No, go straight.
Straight? Okay. Okay. No, but I think, no, yeah, I think I need to. Oh, so what is it? A hotel or is it a place? Apartments. Okay, this is a nice little vibe. Okay, if I work for Spirit Airlines, I could come just live right here. In an apartment. Okay, yeah. So all these stores are kind of closed.
Yeah, I wonder. Tell them what you did.
But we can come out here and see the lights. Yeah, see people at the gym. Let's go U-Fit gym.
Okay, let's go to the gym. 'Cause I didn't go today.
You didn't go to the gym today.
No, I didn't actually.
Those of you who don't know, Spirit Airlines, right here. This is the home office. Y'all know I'm a travel queen over here. I love to live my life on a vacation, okay? And so guess what? Listen, life will always change. Cities evolve, businesses close, streets transform, and so can you. Don't let fear or age convince you that your story is over. The best chapters haven't even been written yet. If this video has encouraged you, hit that button right there, that like button. Go ahead and subscribe and drop a comment telling us the one thing you're ready to rebuild in your life. And if you're just getting started, the one thing you want to start building. And don't forget to catch up with us and check out our last videos. We have big adventures and sound advice for your everyday life. Until next time.